Hello everyone. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, RRMAHAJAN. In last lecture, we discussed regarding general idea of pest control, and what are their types. So in this lecture, we will discuss again main types of pest, their control in detail. In next lecture also, we will see other types of pest control. So please see the full video of the pest control. Basically, the plant provide the food 99% of the world, whether directly or indirectly. Man and other living organisms are dependent on plant for food. The unwanted animal, plants, or other forms of living organism that cause injury, disease, or destructive to man himself, to desirable animals and plant, as well as good and structures, are termed as pest. The control of various pest is necessary, and several steps must be taken prior to the selection of the pest control. These control are generally achieved either by natural controls or the control practices developed by man. It is also known as applied control or artificial control. The pest control methods are classified into two main groups. First, natural controls, and second, applied control. Let us see one by one. Prior to discuss pest control, we know the IPM. What is IPM exactly? IPM is the integrated pest management. In IPM process, we have give several steps to control the pest, along with several steps. First is the inspection in the form of our pest area or our farm, our houses. We have to some inspection, because of we don't know exact what is the pest location, what are types of pest are there. So inspection helps to control the pest also. It is the first step of IPM. And second step is identification. In identification, we know what type of pest, what is their nature, what is their mode of action, what are the their life cycle. After identification, conclusion of identification is that we have to prove, we have to do some idea about pest control. And then after, monitoring is the main step of the IPM. And during monitoring, we observe the pest growth, action taken of the chemicals, action taken of the or other pest control. Then directly go to the action. In action, there are several types: cultural, mechanical, physical, biological, chemical. All those action are concluded in IPM. And after last, evaluation is the main key step of the IPM, in which we do evaluate ourselves of the and pest, what we done exactly and what are our output exact. This is the main step of IPM. This is also pest management. Pest management is the content of host, plant, resident, cultural, biological, behavioral, mechanical, physical, microbial, chemical, etc. All these terms are included in pest management. So prior to discuss pest management, pest control, integrated pest management, integrated pest control, we have no exact meaning of the pest. So pest is anything that competes with humans, domestics, animals, or desirable plants for food or water. It also injurious to humans, animals, desirable plants, structures, or possessions. It also spread disease to humans, domestic animal, wildlife animal, or desirable plants, harmless to humans or domestic animals. In this era, there are main two types of pest control. First is the natural controls. Natural control, it is a corrective action of environment factor, physical or biotic, that maintain number of pest population within certain upper and lower limits over a period of time. The important factor of natural control are climatic change factor, heavy raining, hot sunshine, floods, lightning, speedy wind, etc. Natural elements, availability of food and space, evaluation pressure also there. In applied control, includes a whole range of practices developed or modified by man. It is also known as artificial control, applied control. Also, factors fail to control the pest. When natural factors are failed to control, then applied factor must be taken. The different methods under applied control are cultural, mechanical, physical, biological, genetical, regulatory, and chemical controls. Cultural, the old first cultural control are the old farming, and certain practices can be employed such that environment become less suitable or unsuitable for production and growth of the certain pest. Culture developed by in respective areas. Mechanical, physical are also there. In this picture, we have see all other types of applied control of the pest. Integrated pest control. Integrated pest control actually involves the application of various control methods with aim of either reducing of pest population or keeping it in at below a level of economically accepted damage. The IPC means integrated pest control does not necessarily include chemical control. However, chemical controls involving the use of pesticide is the most effective method. IPM also recently become a topic of the prominent interest and study among because of widespread of concern for environmental population due to use of pesticides. Environmental pollution are heavily increased due to use of pesticide. The word integrated means the bringing together of individual control methods. The word I will say again, the word integrated means the bringing together of individual control methods into the combined operation that takes the sound, healthy environment. The terms integrated also implies that the combined control operation should be compatible with complex harm producing units and their social means impact knowledge and custom also. Physical equipments, agrochemical equipments are also used in integrated pest management. Economical financial resources it must be taken during integrated pest management. So these are the pest and their controls. Two methods types are there. First is the natural controls. It is a corrective action of environment factor, physical or biotic, that maintain number of pest population within certain upper and lower limits over a period of time. Then important factor of is climatic changes, heavy raining, hot sunshine, it directly change in atmosphere. Some factors also useful to control the pest, which is provided by the nature also. When natural controls are failed, then we have to applied controls. These applied controls are developed by man. It includes different methods under that cultural, mechanical, physical, biological, genetical, regulatory, and chemical controls also. So, hope you must be understand the pest and pest control methods. In next lecture, we have see 7 method of pest control, which is in artificial pest control. So, hope you understand this topic. In next lecture also we have see integrated pest management, 7 factor of pest management, what is exact chemical control, what is exact applied control, and toxicity of the pesticides are also will also discuss. Chronic toxicity, oral toxicity, dermal toxicity, inhalation, what is LD50 value, what is lethal dose, what is classification of pesticide based on toxicity. We have seen one by one. Types of formulation also we will discuss in next lecture. Some terminology like pest, pesticide, insecticide. We will discuss already, but in next lecture also we will discuss in detail. So please see the full video of this lecture and next lecture also. Thank you so much.